New at 6, some people could end up paying big money to get a COVID shot, but there are some things you can do to keep yourself from having to pay.
Okay, that's good. Before holiday gatherings and celebrations come around, KCCI's Ethan Humble found out what options you have to get that shot for free. Ethan.
Yes, Jody, Ben, the CDC says there are 25 to 30 million adults who don't have insurance to cover COVID-19 vaccine costs. That's why they started the Bridge Access program to provide free COVID vaccines for everyone, regardless of their insurance status. Several Iowa healthcare providers and pharmacies are making vaccines even more accessible. It's largely due to the CDC's Bridge Access program, an initiative providing free COVID-19 vaccines to anyone who wants them. CDC Principal Deputy Director Nirav Shah says over 600,000 people have taken advantage of the program nationwide since it started September 15th.
It is designed to meet our goal of making sure that every person in every community in every corner of the country can have access to the COVID-19 vaccines.
In the Des Moines Metro alone, there are over 50 different pharmacies, like Walgreens and CVS, that are participating in the program. There are also a number of county health departments and doctors' offices administering the free doses too. Madison Van Gundy of the Polk County Health Department says it was an easy decision to join the program.
And of course for us it was a no-brainer. We want to be able to provide access to the vaccines for people who don't have health insurance or for people whose health insurance won't cover the vaccine.
The health department has administered 61 vaccine doses through the program alone. However, not all pharmacies are participating. Shaw says it's important to do your research before you show up.
The best way to find an access point is to go to vaccines.gov. And there you'll find a list of the closest Walgreens, the closest CVS, or the closest county health department.
It's a small way of bringing more equality to COVID-19 safety.
If you're only able to protect 2/3 of your community, what happens to the other third? We don't want to leave them out. And by protecting them, we're helping just, help reduce the overall spread of respiratory viruses.
Currently, the Bridge program will end by the start of 2025. Iowa doesn't publish its own current COVID statistics, but the CDC publishes hospitalizations state by state for COVID. It says there were 315 new admissions for COVID in the week ending December 2nd. That's a 52% jump from the week before. It's the most recent data we have for Iowa. Jody.
Ethan, thank you. Well, right now you can order 4 or more COVID tests for free from the government. The website to order is covidtest.org. The government suspended the free test program earlier this year. If you haven't placed an order since then, you can now order up to 8.